In this video, I'll guide you through how to speed up LibreOffice. If you've ever experienced sluggish performance while using LibreOffice, you're not alone. But with a few tweaks, you can significantly enhance its speed and efficiency. Let's dive into these steps to get your LibreOffice running smoother than ever. First things first, open LibreOffice on your computer. It's important to start with the application running so you can make these adjustments directly. Once you have the program open, look towards the top left of your screen. Here you'll find the Tools menu. Go ahead and click on it. The Tools menu is your gateway to the settings and configurations that we're going to tweak to speed things up. After clicking on Tools, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Options. This is where all the magic happens. Within the Options window, you'll need to find and click on LibreOffice. This section holds various settings specific to the application. Next, click on Advanced. The advanced settings allow you to access more technical configurations that aren't immediately visible in the basic settings. Don't worry if this sounds a bit daunting. I'll walk you through exactly what you need to do. Once you're in the advanced section, look for the option labeled Open Expert Configuration. Click on this to proceed. The Expert Configuration is a powerful tool within LibreOffice. It gives you the ability to change settings that aren't typically available in the regular menu options. Now, within the Expert Configuration window, you'll need to locate org.openoffice.office.common. This may sound a bit technical, but it's simply the path you need to follow within the configuration window. Clicking on this will reveal a list of further options. From the list, find and click on Cache. The cache settings can have a significant impact on how quickly LibreOffice processes and displays information. By adjusting these, we can optimize the speed of the application. After selecting Cache, click on Graphic Manager. This setting controls how LibreOffice manages graphical data such as images and complex visual elements. By managing these settings, you can improve how quickly LibreOffice loads and processes documents with many visual elements. Finally, you will need to edit the value presented here. The specific value to input may depend on your system's capabilities and how you use LibreOffice. However, increasing this value generally allows LibreOffice to use more memory for caching graphics, which can lead to faster performance. Once you've entered the new value, click OK to save your changes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should notice a significant improvement in the speed and responsiveness of LibreOffice. Remember, making these changes can help you work more efficiently, especially when dealing with large documents or presentations. Feel free to adjust these settings further to better suit your specific needs and system capabilities. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you optimize your LibreOffice experience.